The efficiency of profitable small woodworking projects is a compelling topic for artisans and entrepreneurs looking to turn their passion for woodworking into a sustainable business. In an era where handmade goods are increasingly valued, small woodworking projects offer a unique opportunity to create simple yet sellable items that resonate with consumers. These projects require relatively low investment in materials and tools, making them accessible to both novice woodworkers and seasoned artisans alike. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of profitable small woodworking projects design ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. One of the key aspects of profitable small woodworking projects is their potential for quick production. Unlike larger furniture pieces, which often require extensive time and labor, smaller items can be crafted in a fraction of the time. This efficiency allows artisans to produce multiple items in a single work session, maximizing their output and revenue potential. For instance, a simple wooden planter box or a set of coasters can be completed in just a few hours, enabling artisans to replenish their inventory rapidly. This speed of production is particularly advantageous for those looking to sell at markets or online, where maintaining a well-stocked inventory is crucial for meeting customer demand. The market for small woodworking projects is diverse, providing artisans with numerous avenues to explore. Items such as decorative shelves, key holders, or wooden toys can appeal to a wide range of consumers, from homeowners looking to enhance their decor to parents seeking unique gifts for their children. This broad appeal allows artisans to target various customer segments, increasing their chances of making sales. Additionally, small woodworking projects can be customized to cater to specific tastes or trends, further enhancing their marketability. By understanding current design trends and consumer preferences, artisans can create products that resonate with their target audience, boosting sales potential. Another significant advantage of small woodworking projects is the relatively low cost of materials. Many simple projects can be made using reclaimed wood or offcuts, which are often affordable or even free. This reduces the initial investment required to start a woodworking business, making it accessible for those who may be hesitant to invest heavily in tools or materials. By sourcing materials wisely, artisans can keep their production costs low while still creating high-quality, attractive items. This cost-effectiveness is crucial for profitability, as it allows for competitive pricing without sacrificing quality. Moreover, the simplicity of small woodworking projects often leads to fewer complexities in design and construction. This straightforward approach not only enhances efficiency during the crafting process, but also minimizes the likelihood of errors that can occur with more intricate designs. As artisans gain experience, they can refine their techniques and streamline their processes, further improving their efficiency. This continuous improvement contributes to a more productive workflow, allowing artisans to produce higher quantities of sellable items in less time. The appeal of small woodworking projects extends beyond their practicality. They also offer a significant opportunity for creative expression. Even simple designs can be infused with personal touches, such as unique finishes, custom engravings, or thoughtful details that set them apart from mass-produced alternatives. This creativity can be a powerful selling point, as consumers increasingly seek out unique, handcrafted items that reflect their individuality. Artisans can leverage their creativity to differentiate their products in a crowded marketplace, enhancing their brand identity and attracting loyal customers. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furthermore, small woodworking projects can serve as an excellent platform for building a portfolio and establishing a brand. As artisans create and sell their work, they can experiment with different styles, techniques, and materials, allowing them to discover their niche within the woodworking market. This process of exploration is essential for developing a distinctive brand identity that resonates with consumers. Over time, artisans can refine their offerings based on customer feedback, preferences, and emerging trends, positioning themselves for long-term success in the woodworking industry. In addition to the creative and practical benefits, small woodworking projects also foster a sense of community and collaboration among artisans. Local craft fairs, online marketplaces, and social media platforms provide opportunities for woodworkers to connect, share ideas, and promote their work. By engaging with fellow artisans, individuals can gain valuable insights, learn new techniques, and find inspiration for their projects. This sense of community can be incredibly motivating, encouraging artisans to continue honing their skills and expanding their business ventures. The rise of e-commerce has also revolutionized the landscape for selling small woodworking projects. Online platforms, such as Etsy or dedicated woodworking websites, allow artisans to reach a global audience, significantly expanding their market reach. Artisans can create an online store to showcase their products, share their stories, and engage with potential customers. This accessibility to a larger customer base can lead to increased sales and brand recognition, further enhancing the profitability of small woodworking projects. Additionally, social media plays a crucial role in promoting small woodworking businesses. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest provide visual mediums for artisans to showcase their work, attract followers, and engage with their audience. By sharing the crafting process, finished products, and behind-the-scenes glimpses, artisans can create a personal connection with consumers that fosters loyalty and encourages repeat purchases. This engagement not only boosts visibility, but also helps artisans build a community around their brand, driving word-of-mouth marketing and organic growth. The efficiency of small woodworking projects can also be enhanced through the use of technology. Many artisans now utilize design software to create detailed plans and cut lists, streamlining the production process. Digital tools can assist in visualizing designs, allowing artisans to experiment with different layouts and styles before committing to a build. This technological integration further enhances efficiency, enabling artisans to work smarter and produce high-quality products more quickly. As artisans refine their skills and gain experience, they can also explore opportunities for scaling their businesses. Small woodworking projects can serve as a foundation for expanding into larger, more complex pieces. Successful artisans often start with simple projects and gradually evolve their offerings, leveraging their established customer base to introduce new products. This strategic growth approach allows them to maintain their efficiency while exploring new avenues for creativity and profitability. The efficiency of profitable small woodworking projects presents a compelling opportunity for artisans to create simple yet sellable items that reflect their craftsmanship and creativity. The low cost of materials, quick production times, and broad market appeal make small woodworking projects an accessible entry point for aspiring entrepreneurs. By embracing their creativity, leveraging technology, and engaging with their communities, artisans can build successful businesses that celebrate the beauty of handmade artistry. As the demand for unique, handcrafted items continues to grow, the potential for profitability in small woodworking projects remains strong, offering artisans a fulfilling and sustainable path forward in the woodworking industry. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked profitable small woodworking projects design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.